how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled support code ss03. So if you want to fix your access is temporarily disabled or your Snapchat is temporarily disabled, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store. From there, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Snapchat. After searching for Snapchat, if you have any updates on your Snapchat, just simply go and update it, because if you have some updates, then you will get that kind of problems. So you just need to simply go and update it, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings. Now, under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with apps option. Tap on apps and then go with manage apps. Now, from here, you need to go with search and search for Snapchat. After searching for Snapchat, you need to go with manage space, which will be on the bottom. And then you can just simply go and delete the app data. But if you don't want to delete the app data, then you will have an option of clear cache. You can just simply go and clear the cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and then open up your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and search for Snapchat support. Now, go with the first link, which will take you to help.snapchat.com, and you'll get this kind of interface. You need to scroll down a bit and then go with submit a request or go with contact us, which will be on the bottom. Now here you need to go with the error code ss03 or ss06, whichever problem that you're facing. Like in my case, I'll just simply go with error ss03, and AI will answer you. Like for example, it will give you what that code or what that error means and what you can do in order to be able to use your Snapchat again. If you have the ss02 error, then that means that your account has been temporarily banned from logging into that device due to repeated failed login attempts. So this is a safety measure to protect your Snapchat community after detecting suspicious activity or a violation of a community. So you just need to simply wait a while before you can log in again on that device. Or if you go with ss06, then it also means that Snapchat has been banned in your device because of abuse or repetitive violations of community guidelines. So if you have this kind of error, then you won't be able to recover your account. What you can do is create another account or just simply go with another device if your device has been banned. There's no way that you can use Snapchat on that device. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.